In today's video, I'm going to teach you setting up Claude AI on Windows. By the end, you'll have the desktop app installed, you'll be signed in, and you'll know where to turn on powerful features if you want Claude to interact with your computer or browser. First, open your preferred web browser and head to claude.ai/download. On that page, choose the Windows version of the app. You'll typically see options like .exe or .msx. The .exe is the classic installer that works on most Windows systems and is a great default choice. The .m6 format is a packaged app that installs in a more sandboxed way and can be easier to manage in some enterprise or Windows Store style environments. Pick the one that matches your preference, then download it. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose a location you can find easily, like your Downloads folder. A quick tip, make sure you're downloading directly from the official site to avoid any modified installers. Next, open the file you just downloaded to start the setup. If Windows asks whether you want to allow the app to make changes, click Yes. The installer will guide you through a short set of on-screen instructions. The default options usually work well. Accept the license, choose the standard install location, and allow it to create a desktop shortcut if you like. Installation should only take a moment. When it finishes, click Finish, and if you see an option to launch Claude, go ahead and open it right away. Once the app is open, sign in using your email or your Google account. If you choose email, you may be prompted to verify your address with a one-time code or link. Just follow the prompts in the app to complete sign-in. After you're in, you'll land on the main chat interface and you're ready to start using Claude. If the app offers to check for updates automatically, that's generally a good idea to keep features and security current. For advanced users, you can allow Claude to interact more directly with your system. Open settings, then go to the general section. Here you'll see toggles for computer use and browser use. Turn these on if you want Claude to perform tasks like opening files, navigating folders, or working within your browser when explicitly requested. The first time you enable them, Windows may ask for permissions. Review these prompts carefully and only allow access you're comfortable with. You can turn these options off at any time in the same settings area. That's it. You've downloaded the Windows installer, completed setup, signed in, and explored the advanced